coming to Chattanooga to talk about wholesale. Wholesale is an opportunity where you can get involved in real estate without any credit, without any down payment, no earnest money, and make anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a transaction. I look forward to talking to you on February 7th. And what we're going to do is I'm going to train you and talk to you about how to get involved in real estate and start making money with a little bit of money coming out of your pocket. I look forward to seeing you, and here's the information.